Hello students, once again welcome you all in the third video of the chapter Madam Rides the Bus. In the previous video, you have seen how Wali was excited to visit a village and how she was gleeful when she rides the bus. When she was in her journey and she was looking the pastures, the meadows, the grassland, she was happy to behold the scenery. Suddenly she saw a cow that was standing in front of the bus and was not moving from there. The driver was honking again and again, still the cow was not moving from there. Ultimately, the driver made more efforts and the cow went from there. Now they are moving towards the destination and ultimately they reached the town where there was a good splendid show of dress shops and every type of shops were there. What the scene was, how the people were reacting, what the girl was seeing there, let's discuss the thing. Struck dumb with wonder, Wali gaped at everything. She was struck dumb, she was speechless there, and Wali was gazing everything very silently. She was gapped mouthed. उसका मुंह खुला रह गया उस मार्केट उधर. Then the bus stopped and everyone got off except वाली. उसके बाद बस रुकी और सभी सामान खरीदने के लिए निकल चुके थे, सिर्फ वाली ही बस में बैठी रह गई. Hey lady, said the conductor, aren't you ready to get off? उसको, क्योंकि अगर वो चाइल्ड कहते हैं तो बच्ची गुस्सा हो जाती है, मैम कहते हैं तो भी नाराज हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई ही अनाउंस्ड द गर्ल, ही एड्रेस्ड द गर्ल एज लेडी. हे लेडी, आर्ट यू नॉट रेडी टू गेट ऑफ? क्या आप नीचे नहीं जाएंगी? दिस इज एज फार एज योर 30 पैसा टेक्स यू. जितना 30 पैसे का किराया था उतना दूर आप आ चुकी हैं. सो प्लीज़ एन्जॉय योर जर्नी, एन्जॉय द थिंग्स वॉट एवर आर डिस्प्लेड हेयर. नो, वाली सैड. वाली ने कहा नहीं, आई एम गोइंग बैक ऑन दिस सेम बस. मुझे इसी बस में वापस जाना है अभी. शी टुक अनदर 30 पैसा फ्रॉम हर पॉकेट एंड हैंडेड द कॉइन्स टू द कंडक्टर, showing her innocence as well as confidence. She said that I have 30 paisa coins again, so take these 30 paisa and took me back to my house again. Why? Is something the matter? क्यों, क्या हुआ? कुछ हुआ, कुछ बात है? नो, नथिंग द मैटर. नहीं नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक हैविंग अ बस राइड, दैट्स ऑल. No uncle, that's why there is nothing. I just wanted to ride the bus, that's why I ride here. I don't have any desire to visit the township. I don't have any desire to visit the shopping complex here, the merchandise that are displayed here. I just here to watch the thing from a distance. Don't you want to have a look at the sights now that you are here? जब तुम यहाँ आ ही गई हो तो क्या तुम वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं देखना चाहोगी? All by myself? Oh, I would be much too afraid. नहीं नहीं, मुझे डर लगता है, मैं अकेले बाहर नहीं जाऊँगी. बस मैंने इतना ही देखना था, वो मैं देख चुकी. Greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking, the conductor said. उसका गर्ल का वे ऑफ टॉकिंग देखकर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस्ड हुआ, बहुत सोचा कंडक्टर साहब ने, और उन्होंने कहा, बट यू वर नॉट अफ्रेड टू कम इन द बस? बट माई चाइल्ड, व्हेन यू वर राइडिंग द बस, didn't you have any type of fear then? Now you are afraid. Nothing to be afraid of about that, she answered. उसने कहा नहीं अंकल, उसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं थी, because all the persons are coming from my village and you also were there, so I had no fear. But if I would go out, there are many suspicious persons also, and I got very nice advice from my seniors, my elders, that I should not go out without the permission of elders. That's why I would be here. Afraid about that, she answered. Well, then, why not go to that stall over there and have something to drink? अच्छा, फिर उस स्टॉल तक चले जाओ जहाँ पर ड्रिंकेबल थिंग्स हैं, जहाँ पर ईटेबल्स हैं. नथिंग टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ अबाउट दैट ईदर. उसमें तो डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. ओह नो, आई कुडंट डू दैट. नो अंकल, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो देयर ऑल्सो. आई हैव सेटिस्फेक्शन इन द बस इटसेल्फ. वेल देन लेट मी ब्रिंग यू अ कोल्ड. चलो ठीक है, तुम यहाँ बैठो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेके आता हूँ. एन्जॉय द कोल्ड ड्रिंक हेयर इटसेल्फ. You will feel comfortable in the bus after having the cold drink and after having the sips of cold drink brought by me. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me ticket, that's all. मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है, मेरे पास बस टिकट के पैसे थे, वो टिकट मुझे दे दीजिए. इट विल बी माई ट्रीट एंड नॉट कॉस्ट यू एनी थिंग. माई चाइल्ड, आई एम गिविंग यू अ ट्रीट. आई विल नॉट टेक एनी मनी फ्रॉम यू. नो नो, शी सेड फॉर्मली. प्लीज़ नो. उसने कहा नहीं नहीं, मैं नहीं लूँगी कुछ भी. आई एम कंफर्टेबल. द कंडक्टर श्रग्ड and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin the return journey. The conductor surrendered here, shrugged his shoulders, and they waited there till all the passengers collect and they would return their journey. Again, there were not many passengers. इस ट्रिप में भी बहुत ज़्यादा पैसेंजर्स नहीं थे अब. Wouldn't your mother be looking for you? The conductor asked when he gave the girl her ticket. जब बच्ची को टिकट दिया तो उन्होंने पूछ ही लिया कि क्या तुम्हारी मम्मा इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहे होंगे घर पे. No one will be looking for me, she said. उसने कहा नहीं, कोई मेरा वेट नहीं कर रहा होगा. The bus started and again there were the same wonderful sights. बस स्टार्ट हुई, जर्नी रिज्यूम हुई एंड जो सीन्स थे वो दोबारा से बहुत सुंदर लगने लगे. वाली वॉज नॉट बोर्ड इन द स्लाइटेस्ट. बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं हो रही थी वाली. एंड ग्रीटेड एवरीथिंग विद द सेम एक्साइटमेंट एंड शी वॉज ग्रीटेड एवरीथिंग that was there in the surrounding and she was looking as excited as earlier. She had felt the first time as she was looking at the first time while coming to the city. Now on the back journey also she was so happy. But suddenly she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside. लेकिन अचानक फिर उसने एक गाय को देखा. इस बार गाय भाग नहीं रही थी बल्कि सड़क पर पड़ी हुई थी. जस्ट वेयर इट हैड बीन स्ट्रक बाय सम फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल. जहाँ पर किसी तेज दौड़ने वाले व्हीकल ने उसको कुचल दिया था. इजंट दैट द सेम काउ दैट रैन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बस ऑन आवर ट्रिप टू टाउन. क्या ये वही गाय नहीं है जो कि शहर आते समय उनकी रास्ते में आई थी. शी आस्क्ड द कंडक्टर. उसने कंडक्टर से पूछा. द कंडक्टर नोटेड. कंडक्टर ने भी गर्दन हिलाई एंड शी वॉज ओवरकम विद सैडनेस. सीइंग द सेम काउ लाइंग देयर शी वॉज very sad and she was depressed there. She was not able to see the scene with her own eyes. What had been a lovable, beautiful creature just a little while ago had now suddenly lost its charm. एक बहुत सुंदर दिखने वाली बहुत अच्छा सा क्रिएचर थोड़ी देर पहले तक जो उसने देखा था वो थोड़ी देर बाद इतना अगली दिखेगा कल्पना भी नहीं थी. एंड इट्स लाइफ एंड लुक्ड सो हॉरिबल. और ये सब कुछ दृश्य बड़ा भयावह सा लग रहा था, बड़ा सा घृणित सा लग रहा था. शी वॉज अनेबल टू सी द साइट विद हर ओन आइज, सो फ्राइटेंड एज इट ली देयर, लेग्स स्प्रेड एंगल्ड. जो गाय थी वो अपने पैर उसके फैले हुए पड़ी हुई है सड़क पर. अ फिक्स्ड स्टेयर इन इट्स लाइफलेस आईज and there was fixed staring. Its eyes were open and the cow was staring, but there was no life, there was no charm, there was no glow in its eyes now, blood all over. Everywhere on the road there was blood, blood and blood. The bus moved on. बस आगे चली. The memory of the dead cow haunted her. जो गाय की याद थी, उसकी याददाश्त थी, वो उसको सता रही थी. Dampening her enthusiasm. Her enthusiasm was ended here. उसका जो क्रेज था वो खत्म हो चुका था. She no longer wanted to look out the window. विंडो के बाहर देखने की चाहत खत्म हो चुकी थी. She sat thus. चुपचाप बैठ गई. Glued to her seat as if she was fixed to her seat until the bus reached her village at 3:40. और जब वो 3:40 पर विलेज पहुंची तब तक बिना हिले सीट पर बैठी रही. She stood up. खड़ी हुई and stretched herself angrily. Then she turned to the conductor and said, "Well, sir, I hope to see you again." Thanking the conductor for giving her a good company, she wished her that hope so they would meet soon again. "Well, sir, I hope to see you again." "Okay, ma'am," he answered her, smiling. Smile करते उसने कहा, "धन्यवाद मैम." "Whenever you feel like a bus ride, come and join us." जब कभी भी राइड करने का मन करे, आना, हमारे साथ चलना. And don't forget to bring your fare. And don't forget to bring your fare money. Fare, please check the spelling of fare here. F-A-I-R, fare is good, excellent, and this fare is different. F-A-R-E, expenses here. She laughed and jumped down from the bus. हंसी और सीढ़ी और बस से नीचे उतर गई. Then away she went, running straight for home. उसके बाद भागती हुई घर की तरफ चली. When she entered her house, she found her mother awake and talking to one of Wali's aunts. When she entered the house, she saw that her mother was busy in talking to one of her aunts. And the one from South Street. The aunt was from South Street. Her residence was at South Street. This aunt was a real chatterbox. This aunt was a chatterbox. She never stopped talking, never never closing her mouth once she started talking. She never stopped. Once when she started talking, she was so talkative. She was so of mix-up nature. And where have you been? Said her aunt when Wali came in. जैसे वो घर में आई, वाली की आंटी ने पूछा, अब तक कहाँ थे? She spoke very casually, not expecting a reply. So Wali just smiled. So Wali ने कोई भी जवाब नहीं दिया, जैसा कि उसको एक्सपेक्टेशन थी वाली कुछ नहीं बोलेगी. And her mother and aunt went on with their conversation. और इसके बाद आंटी और ममा continuously अपनी conversations में busy रही. Yes, you are right, her mother said. Whatever conversation they were making, Wali didn't get the idea, but mother was saying, yes, you are right. So many things are in our midst and in the world outside. मुझे नहीं पता, तुम्हें भी नहीं पता दुनिया में कब कहाँ क्या चल रहा है. How can we possibly know about everything? एक जगह बैठे हुए हम हर चीज़ के बारे में जान भी कैसे सकते हैं. And even when we do know, और अगर हमें पता भी चल जाए about something, किसी चीज़ के बारे में, we often can't understand it completely. तो भी हम पूरा तो नहीं जान पाते. Can we? क्या ऐसा होता है? Oh yes, breathed Wali. वाली ने राहत की सांस ली. Oh yes. Double meaning here. Because she had visited a town even the mother or aunt didn't know. And secondly, whatever mother and aunt was saying, she was assuring them that there are so many things in the world that are happening and we don't know them completely. What? Asked her mother. What's that you say? क्या कहना चाहती हो तुम? क्या मीनिंग है तुम्हारा? Oh, said Wali. वाली ने बात को पलटते हुए कहा, I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge. मैं तो आपकी बात को कंसेंट कर रही हूँ, आपकी बात को एग्री कर रही हूँ जो आपने कहा कि दुनिया में बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो घटित होता है और हमें नहीं पता. I am just giving okay for that thing. Just a chit of a girl she is. What a great talkative girl she is. What she says is also out of the range of us. And yet, look how she pokes her nose into our conversation. And she also says, Aunt also says, कि every time she pokes her nose, she interferes in our conversation. जब हम बात करते बीच में ज़रूर टोकती है. Just as though she were a grown up lady. जैसे कि वो एक grown up lady हो, जैसे कि हमारी उम्र की हो. She is interfering in our conversation. Wally smiled to herself. Wally was so much happy in her mood. Whatever she had done, nobody knows that. That's why she was smiling. But my child, but my students, it's not good that you are going away from your house without your parents' intimation. Whatever Wally is saying, that is just a fiction. That is fact plus imagination is equal to fiction. But what the real life incident is, we should make our parents aware of what we are doing. Without or before commencement of the things, we should seek their permission. After their acceptance, after their permission, we should take a step. Otherwise, it would be away from etiquettes. It would be wrong step on your part, on our part. वाली स्माइल टू हर सेल्फ. वाली खुद खुश हुई, अपने आप में हंस रही है. शी डिडेंट वॉन्ट दैम टू अंडरस्टैंड हर स्माइल. शी डिडेंट वॉन्ट टू शेयर अ स्माइल विद दैम. बट देन, लेकिन तब, देयर वॉज नॉट मच चांस ऑफ दैट. देयर वॉज नो चांस दैट दे वुड गेट. Why Wally was smiling? What was the secret of Wally's smile there? Was there any chance? No, I don't think. But again, I'm reminding you, it's wrong. 100% wrong. What a child is expected to do is first permission of parents, then do whatever parents are ready to permit you. With the hope of this, thank you very much. Have a good day.